Fam, is a white wedding more valid than a customary one, especially for Black African people? Or Black Coffee is losing his mind? The Supreme Court of Appeal has apparently granted Black Coffee leave to appeal the 2025 High Court ruling that validated his customary marriage to ex-wife Endle Mbali. He's really doing everything to protect and fight for his global fortune. So in 2011, Black Coffee and Endle Mbali had a customary marriage, and we all know if you don't have an antenuptial contract before the traditional ceremony, you're often automatically married in community of property. Fast forward to 2017, they had a white wedding where they reportedly also signed an antenuptial contract to keep their assets separate. Then in 2025, the ruling judge validated the 2011 customary marriage, meaning the minute global was paid and rights were followed, by default they were married in community of property. Now Black Coffee has gotten himself an appeal arguing that the 2017 date is what matters, while Endle fought for the 2011 ceremony to be recognized. One commenter that I saw making a lot of sense said, what does he mean he wants the 2017 white wedding recognized? He recognizes foreign tradition than his own? And this made people feel otherwise, like, okay, you're trying to nullify the 2011 marriage. Meaning, essentially what you're saying is traditional rights are not real marriages. But then again, maybe he has a leg to stand on. Maybe his legal team found a loophole or something. Hence why they're at it again fighting. Because nothing is making sense to me at this point. I also saw some people saying he really hates Endle because what do you mean you cheated on her that much and now you don't even want her to have that spousal support? Don't even want her to have what rightfully belongs to her? Anyway, let's continue this in the comment section. Also, remember to subscribe, like, share. Until next time, bye and thank you for watching.